Hello. My name is Emma. I am 12 years old. This is a story about my day with a lost puppy. It was a very special day for me. It was Saturday morning. The sun was shining. I woke up early. I wanted to go outside. I opened the door. I saw something small on the street. It was a puppy. The puppy was brown. It looked scared. "Hello, little one," I said softly. But the puppy ran away. I followed it. The puppy went into the park. I went too. In the park, there were many people. Some people walked their dogs. Some children played with balls. I looked for the puppy. I looked under trees. I looked behind benches. I looked near the pond. But I could not find it. I felt sad. I sat on a bench. Then I heard a sound, woof! I turned around fast. There it was! The puppy was hiding under a big tree. Its paw looked hurt. I felt sorry for it. I took off my jacket. I put it over the puppy. It did not run this time. I picked up the puppy. I carried it home. My mom was surprised. "Emma, where did you find this dog?" she asked. "I found it in the park," I said. "Its paw is hurt." My mom smiled. She helped me clean the puppy's paw. We gave it water and food. The puppy started to feel better. It wagged its tail. That made me so happy. Later that day, we made signs. The signs said, "Found, brown puppy." We hoped someone would come. But no one came. That night, I lay in bed. I thought about the puppy. I decided to call it Max. It was lucky I found it. Maybe I was lucky too. The next morning, Max followed me everywhere. He played with my toys. He slept on my bed. I knew then that Max would stay with us forever. But taking care of Max was not always easy. Sometimes he chewed my shoes, sometimes he barked loudly at night. But I loved him anyway. He became my best friend. One day, I took Max to the park. I wanted him to play with other dogs. At first, Max was shy. He stayed close to me. But soon, he met another dog. The other dog was big and black. They sniffed each other. Then they started to run and play together. I watched them for a long time. I smiled because Max looked so happy. After an hour, I called Max back. He came running to me. His tongue was out, and his tail was wagging. I gave him some water. He drank it all. On the way home, I thought about how much Max had changed. When I first found him, he was scared and alone. Now, he was strong and playful. He trusted me, and I trusted him too. When we got home, my mom was waiting for us. "Emma," she said, "we need to talk about Max." "What is it?" I asked. I felt worried. "Well," my mom said, "Max needs shots from the vet, and we need to buy him proper food and toys. Taking care of a dog costs money." "I know," I said. "But Max is part of our family now. We can't leave him." My mom smiled. "You're right," she said. "We'll do what we need to do." The next week, we took Max to the vet. The vet was kind. She checked Max's paws and ears. She gave him shots. Max didn't like the shots, but he was brave. The vet told us Max was healthy. She said he was about 6 months old. After the visit, we went to a pet store. We bought Max a red collar and a leash. We also bought him dog food, treats, and a soft bed. Max seemed excited about his new things. He jumped onto his bed and curled up right away. At home, I taught Max some tricks. First, I taught him to sit. I held the treat above his head. When he sat down, I gave him the treat. He learned quickly. Next, I taught him to shake hands. Max liked this trick the most. He always wagged his tail when he got it right. Every evening, I took Max for a walk. We walked through the park. We met other dogs and their owners. Everyone said Max was cute. I felt proud. One afternoon, I noticed something strange. Max kept looking at the gate. He barked and wagged his tail. I wondered why. Then I saw a man walking toward us. The man looked familiar. He stopped in front of us. "Is this your dog?" the man asked. He pointed at Max. "No," I said. "I found him in the park." The man smiled. "His name is Buddy. He ran away 2 weeks ago. I've been looking for him everywhere." I felt confused. Max, no, Buddy, was my dog now. Or was he? I looked at the man. He looked nice. He showed me pictures of Buddy on his phone. In the pictures, Buddy looked just like Max. They were the same dog. "I'm sorry," I said. "I didn't know he belonged to someone." "It's okay," the man said. "Thank you for taking care of him. You did a great job." I felt sad. I didn't want to say goodbye to Max, or Buddy. But I knew it was the right thing to do. The man took Buddy home. I waved goodbye. Tears fell from my eyes. My mom hugged me. "You did the right thing," she said. For days, I missed Buddy. I thought about him all the time. I missed his wagging tail. I missed his barks. I missed playing with him. 1 week later, the man came back. He brought Buddy with him. "I want to thank you," the man said. "Would you like to visit Buddy anytime you want?" I smiled. "Yes, please." From then on, I visited Buddy often. The man lived near the park. Every weekend, I went to see Buddy. We played fetch. We went for walks. Buddy still wagged his tail when he saw me. Now, I have a new friend. His name is Buddy. And even though he doesn't live with me, I know he will always be part of my life.